Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find and manage display settings on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings, and then in the settings we want to go to display, so you might need to scroll down in order to find display options. And over here we have a bunch of different options related to the display, like the dark mode. We have the brightness, and we can also enable or disable brightness, the adaptive brightness. We also can change the refresh rate of the screen over here. We have the eye comfort shield, which is like the blue light shield. It looks like this, and it can be also customized. We also have the font size and style. We have the display size. We have options for the full screen apps, camera cutout, the screen timeout setting. We also have the easy mode and edge panel settings. We have the navigation bar option, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.